Hello everybody, today my power is out, so I'm trying to film this in natural light, so sorry if it's not great, but I'm just going to show you our cool new dies. So this is our first of our fussy cut dies, which match our very cool fussy cut sheets. Now I've just roughly cut this fussy cut sheet just smaller so it fits in my die cutting machine, and I have got the little banner and I'm just lining it up, putting a little bit of tape on the end, and I'm going to run it through. So we have heaps of shapes that match our fussy cut sheets, and you'll note that these dies that we're releasing over the next few months can go back and do most of the cut apart sheets from this year. So there we go, a cute little flag already cut out. Super cute, isn't it? So there is a couple of different sets coming. This is the first one, which is an add-on in June, and there's another one in July and August. So they match up our fussy cut sheets perfectly. Okay, so I finished cutting out all of my fun little pieces with the new die cuts. I'm just going to glue some of these little rings on the tags. They look really cute. Love them. Alright, so I have a bunch of photos which I am thinking about using today. I really like this one. It's just a little one, so I think I'm going to do this one today. It's when Pearl was maybe 3 or 4. Super cute. We're in the middle of renovating our house, so we don't even have any carpet on the stairs. And she decided she was going to get dressed. And I'm going to use this as my backing today. I don't really have an idea, so I am just winging this, okay, as I go. I like that one. Let's go square. Okay, so I didn't quite cut that as smoothly as I would like, so I'm just going to trim it up on my weed trimmer. I think I'm going to trim this down about there. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is, I think I'm kind of happy with this as a general layout. Then I'm going to shove bits in between and around. I'm just going to raise all the edges with my fingernails. Now Pearl is going to get mounted, and I'm just going to mount it on some card because I'd like to have my whole photo mounted up. Cool. Yeah, I think I'm going to use this cork, so I'm just going to cut it down. Sticky back cork. Do you see how I measure everything so technically? I just left a mark there with my finger. And then probably about there. One of my tricks is to get something straight is stand up. Oh, I ripped the corner, did you see that? So now I don't have to do the rest of the page. So to get something straight is always stand up and get a bird's eye view. You're going to get it much straighter. I'm not too stressed about the corner I just ripped off because I have no doubt a flower or some sort of embellishment is going to go over that anyway, but I'm just going to stick that down. And I think I'm going to mount this guy up on card as well. See, I do like it on the third line over here. because that way I can bring some sort of element and title over here. So this one, although I'm going to stand up just to make sure my measurements are right, I've got these little lines to help me line this up. Now I have got, I'm just going to move the camera over here a little bit. All of these are just creative cuts. They're pieces I've fussy cut out. There's some of my cute little doilies, and I'm just going to choose some embellishments from this little pile to start layering up my layout. I'm going to put it along this edge. Yeah, I like that one. Okay, so I've just discovered I don't have as many fussy cut flowers as what I would have liked. So I'm now going to go do some fussy cutting and I'll be back. Right, I'm back with a whole bunch of fussy cut flowers. And every shape and size, and I'm just thinking about where I'm going to put them. Yeah, I do like that guy under there, so I'm just gonna save that bit because it's going to go in there like that. Okay, so I'm starting to build up my layers with my flowers, and I want to put some height into it, so I'm going to put some of these guys. So putting some down low and some will go high. So remember these guys which I made before? We're going to use some of them. So I'm going to try to sneak these in on top, down the bottom. So to give the illusion of a really long tag, I'm sticking this guy down the bottom. Some height. Trim this guy. Into more of a flag. Just trim the edges off, the white edges. I think I actually might add another layer of these spots. I really like all these spots. I'm trying to put this one on top. So now I'm just going to add in lots of different foliage. Some of the black and white ones, some of the coloured ones, to build some layers. I think we need something more under here. Let's build some layers out, I think. Alright, so I am just finishing off now by just filling in the little holes that I feel like need an embellishment. I like that one. You're the best. It's the little things. That one's kind of cute. I like that one. We might put a few different ones. Oh, I love the birdie. Let's put the birdie in somewhere. Where are we going to put him? So these are some of the bits I cut out of the cut apart sheet with the new dies. So I'm just seeing where I can fit these in. My good things, it's cute too. I think I'm settling on these. I can debate this for hours. Titles,